So hey guys, so today is October 1st, 2020, and it's bill paying day, guys. And I just want to share with you that words are powerful. And so today my affirmation is all my bills are being paid with ease. I have more than enough. I am financially free. I am abundant. I can do what I want when I want, because actually we want freedom. People say that they want this and that they want the next thing, but we really want freedom to do what we want when we want. Wouldn't you like to travel when you want to travel instead of asking the boss? And so guys, that's what I just hop on here to share. His words are very powerful. I have more than enough. My bills are being paid with ease. I am here at the bank because it's bills day, and I'm getting my funds to take care of my bills today. And I just thought that I would hop on camera and just to share that words are powerful. The Bible says, let the weak say I am strong, right? And so if you're broke, are you going to say, oh, I'm sitting down and say, oh, I'm so broke. Oh, I can't afford this, I can't afford the next thing. Won't you use empowering words to uplift yourself? To say, I am abundant. My bills are being paid with ease. I have more than enough. I am generous with what I have. I am free to do what I want when I want. Right? And so I just thought about it and I said I would share it with my YouTube family. And I have to wear my mask, guys. It's October 1st, 2020, the year of the coronavirus, the pandemic. And so whenever you're watching this, that is why I'm wearing my mask. I hope you can hear me very well. And so guys, if you have not subscribed, it's a real quick video. I just hop on here to share with you that use words to empower and uplift, right? And it's the first of the month. It's bill paying day. Say my bills are being paid with ease. I have more than enough. I am financially free. I am abundant. I am generous with what I have. I can do what I want when I want. So guys, if you have not subscribed as yet, remember to subscribe to your girl. Leave me a comment, like, share the video. Click the link below for your free gift. Don't forget your free gift. This is the bank here. I'm here at the bank. And I just wanted to share it with you guys that we have to use word even if you don't see the money in your account. Say, I have more than enough. Say that my bills are being paid with ease. Today, it's bill paying day. So guys, I love you, I love you, I love you. I'm sending you kisses under my mask. Mwah! It's your girl, Georgette. Yes!